Hey there, it's Shawn Bayley, and welcome to this video today. And today we're going to be talking about bridge page affiliate marketing. And I'm a huge fan of this particular type of funnel because it works really well. It doesn't take a lot of effort to set up. And if you're promoting a good product, it is really, really awesome. So let's jump into this and take a look here. So how to set up a bridge page affiliate marketing funnel. And I'm going to show you how I do this in ClickFunnels. So we'll go through all the steps here, and then we'll look at each step in a little bit more detail. So really, it's 5 simple steps. First, we want to set up our landing page, and we want to have all the details of the offer, what the bonuses are that they're going to get in this affiliate offer that we're promoting here, right? Next, we want to give them basically explain how to get access to the product, make sure the instructions are super clear. On our thank you page, right? That's what TYP stands for, is thank you page. So verify the affiliate purchases. So when someone goes and actually buys, you'll see they'll usually contact you and let you know, and you just kind of want to go over to your like dashboard, wherever it records your like affiliate stats, and then just make sure that everything lines up. So next we want to, step 4 is that we want to use a template. So the thing is, when I get these things come in, I don't want to have to spend a lot of time fulfilling these things. And the way that I do it is just use a simple template, and I just copy and paste and change a little bit of information. I'll show you that as well. And then the last thing is to give access to the stuff. Make sure that they, I usually test everything out beforehand and make sure that they can get access to the stuff immediately, because that's what they want, right? And I'll show you how that works as well. So let's jump into this a little bit further and get going. But here's the thing. I'm not going any further in this video. I'm going to sit here literally for 10 minutes with this slide up until you hit that like button, until you click on subscribe and click on the little notify bell. I don't even know if that works anymore on YouTube. They've made so many changes, but it's fun to click on stuff. And you got to go and share this video. Go ahead and share it on Facebook. How about we share it on Facebook today? All right? So I'm not going any further until you do those things. I'm just going to sit here in dead silence until you go and do that. Yeah, just like that. All right, let's go. So I'm going to show you an example from a funnel where I have this set up. This funnel, the product that I'm promoting is Funnel Scripts. The bonus that I'm offering is called the Funnel Scripts Fast Track Bonus. And there's several different components to it, but I'm going to just show you the actual landing page itself and how you can kind of model that. Boom, here we go. So this is the landing page for my Funnel Scripts Fast Track here. So I'm going to just kind of take you through this here. And you can see we've got a headline. We explain what's going on here. And this is what they get with Funnel Scripts. Now I should probably update this slide because it's probably changed a little bit, but that's the bulk of it there. If they've come to this page, they already know a little bit about Funnel Scripts and they're just interested in the bonuses, right? And that's what I'm telling them. Okay, now let me sweeten the deal here. So if they get Funnel Scripts, they get all these additional bonuses, right? So I have everything laid out, a nice little stack slide. You've probably seen those before if you've followed ClickFunnels at all, right? And then I give them a little teaser here, right? I've got this little animated GIF, or is it GIF? I don't know. I like GIF, but maybe that's because I like sound of Jiffy peanut butter or something, so I don't know. But anyways, so I have this little GIF that basically teases and gives them a little look inside to just kind of get them even more excited about the bonuses that they can get access to, right? Break it down, show them all the value that they get, and then I go into detail and explain each component of the bonuses, right? I go through and I've got little bullet points describing each one of the bonuses and what they get access to and why it is so awesome here, right? And then again, recap, here's everything they get the bonuses again. We've got our little animated GIF or GIF. I'm going with GIF. I don't care. Tell me in the comments. Is it GIF or GIF? I don't know. But anyways, so we got the teaser again. Again, we show the total value and tell them that it's free. They get this bonus for free if they go and take action, right? So what happens? They click on this button. And then boom, where do I send the bonuses? When you sign up for Funnel Scripts. I'm already kind of telling them, when you get Funnel Scripts, you get these bonuses, but I need to know what email address to send them to, right? So after they put their email address in and confirm that they want to get access to these bonuses, then we go on to the next step. So on here, if we go back to our presentation and go to the next slide. So here we want to go and make sure that we confirm access on the thank you page. Again, we're going to use my Funnel Scripts Fast Track example, and I'll show you what I mean. So after they opt in, they're going to land onto this page. So, and then tells them, great, you're registered. Here's what's next. So once you sign up for Funnel Scripts with my special link on the next page, just forward your receipt over to me, and this will have everything that you need, right? Now, After you forward your receipt, your bonuses will be on the way. Note, bonuses are sent out within 48 hours. So this is just kind of a CYA type of line, right? Which stands for cover your assets. So they usually get these things within in less than 4 hours, let alone 48 hours. But I just have that in there in case, whatever, I'm, doing something and, maybe it takes a little bit to turn it around. But usually I get it to them super, super fast. So now they have the option. They can go get funnel scripts right away, or if they want to see the funnel scripts webinar and presentation, they can go with either one of these buttons here, right? Again, break it down, show them what they get, give them the slide, and then the 2 buttons to take action on this. So once they go, we get the people who go and take action. Then what happens is we want to go back to our slides, and we want to verify our affiliate purchases. So what's going to happen is I know that this kicks off because I'll get an email from them, and it'll say just like this: "Hey Shawn, I just purchased funnel scripts with your affiliate link. Can you send me the bonuses? Thank you." Right? So pretty easy to figure out what this is about. The funnel scripts receipt is outlined in the subject line. I can go through, I can see and track as far as the actual sale. I have confirmation numbers, that type of thing. But I'll also see, you can see this blue bar on the side. I'll see an actual confirmation that the sale went through. So the 2 things match up, and that's what I want to see so that I can go ahead and proceed with my end of the deal, which is to give them access to the bonuses. Now, when I do this, again, I want to do this nice and easy and make it really simple for me. So what I do is I use a template. Right? So what I do is I have this in I think it's a Google Doc or a Word document, either or. And basically what I do is send them the details to get access to the bonuses. Right? So I give them a link to the members area. I give them their username. I give them their password. And I tell them that it's nice and easy and it's ready to go. I've already tested this, so I know that it works because I don't want them to have any problems with the login. Right? I've only ever, in all the times that I've sold this type of deal this way, I've only ever had one person contact me and say, I had some issue logging in. So I just made a quick little video, literally a 2-minute video, just show them hey, click this link here, put this in, boom, show them that it works. Sent that video off, didn't hear anything back from them, so I know that they got in, right? Plus I can see on my list of members as far as who's actually a member inside the membership site, so I can see whether or not they actually logged in and have been able to access the bonuses here. So the bottom part here is I just say, hey, I'd like to know what you think of the bonuses, and usually I kind of like to what I call bounce the ball to them. Right? Which is ask them a question and then see if they reply back, right? So I like to ask them, what specifically made you want this? I'd love to know. So they can tell me, what part of the offer they really liked, and if possible, if they're really into one particular bonus, how can I accentuate that? How can I add more to it? How can I make it even more powerful for them, right? So that's why I kind of do that thing where, like I say, I bounce the ball to them and ask them a question, right? I like to get feedback from people. Plus, it's fun to engage people and, start conversations with people. That's how, things happen in life and in business is by, reaching out to people, starting conversations, starting relationships with people. So that's why I do that. So last step in this is to give them access to this stuff. And like I say, I go through and I log in first and make sure and test it, make sure that it works before I fill out my template and send it off to them. Right? So I make sure that there's no problems on their end, that, like I say, in the message there, that it's nice and easy. Right? I've already logged in as them. I know that it works. I hand it off to them, and then they get everything that they wanted. Right? They want to get access to the bonuses. Everything's available instantly. It's all digital stuff in there. There's links to, even if there's a link to another page inside the members area, it's all basically inside there. And the great thing about this is that once they're inside this members area, below where it's got all the different categories here, I could have another button to go over and, I don't know, book a coaching call, book a strategy call, sign up for my high ticket coaching, go check out my other, higher priced product on my value ladder, right? Because when they're in that members area, you're controlling what they see, right? If there's a button there, chances are they'll click on it if it's enticing enough. So why not put that type of thing in there? Why not deliver your stuff inside a members area? And that's why I do that. So that's it. That's the entire process as far as how it goes. So again, you want to set up the landing page, give the details of your awesome affiliate bonuses, confirm, make sure they understand how to get access on the thank you page. Even if you think it's super clear, like spell it out, make it completely blatant and obvious, right? Third step, verify the affiliate purchases. When somebody sends you an email, make sure that it shows up in your dashboard. The fourth step is to make life easy on yourself and just use a template that you can just copy and paste and use over and over. And number 5 is to make sure that they can get access to the stuff, because that's what they want. They want to get access to the stuff right away. So you want to make sure that that's nice and easy for them, good to go, that you've tested it out, and they're going to be happy with what they've signed up for. So that's it. That is how to set up a bridge page affiliate marketing funnel. That's how I do it inside of ClickFunnels, and it works really, really good. I've done it many, many times. I've got lots of emails from people, and it's so great because you get an email that just says, hey, I just purchased this thing. Can I get access to these bonuses, right? And then you go over to your dashboard and see that you just made, another affiliate sale. So it works really good. Go ahead and swipe this method. Try it out for yourself. Let me know what you think of this video. Don't forget to comment below whether or not it's GIF or GIF, because I still don't know. And I will see you in the next video.